It's raining. It's raining. I love the rain. Look at all the leaves on this thing, dude. Freaking sucks. Ah, a beauty. There's no pressure at all. All right, so fast forward 1 week later. This soft top does have a leak. It is supposed to be a brand new top. I mean, it is what it is. I'll probably get a cover for the car soon. I definitely need to. So last week, whenever we did the fuel pressure test, there was absolutely zero pressure. So what I did was I went and checked the fuel pressure pump relay, or I'm sorry, the fuel pump relay. I don't know why I said that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the relay. I put a brand new one in there. It's an OEM relay. What I found when I checked was this bypass. Someone had bypassed the relay, so. Even with that new relay, I did try to start the car just to see what would happen, and the fuel pump made absolutely no noise, so I'm assuming the fuel pump is dead, just for the simple fact that I can't hear it, and it is actually like right behind your head in a Miata, so you would think you'd be able to hear a fuel pump prime, right? I got a new fuel filter here and a new fuel pump here. All right, let's go ahead and start removing this 30-year-old fuel pump. This should be a really easy job in Miatas. That's one of the best parts about Miatas. They are super cheap, super easy to work on, and apparently these are the only two tools I'm gonna need, so. First, we gotta remove all of this backing stuff. Yeah, not a single clip in here on mine. I can just pull it right out. That is badly rusted. Okay, so now I'm thinking we just got some water in the fuel system, because look at that. Dude. Okay, that's not what you want to find. We definitely need to replace that. Really hope I can get these out today. Okay, I don't know why I thought this one wouldn't work. I really hope that I don't strip any of these because I don't have any drill bits or anything like that. Oh, I have the Dremel, I guess. But I have no way to plug the Dremel in out here, so. That one is stripped already. Great. Oh my God, that was terrifying. Should be, oh yeah, super, super easy. Ah, I can smell the fuel already. Okay. There's one. I'm probably gonna regret this, but let's see what happens. And it's not that bad. It is stripped though. We're so close to getting this out. Always something, especially with this car. Okay, so update on this screw here. It was stripped. I could not get it out with the Phillips head, so what I tried to do was I was tapping in the Phillips head for a little bit with a hammer. Then I remembered that I had these chisels down here. I tried those. I tried the smallest flat chisel, and then I tried to use the socket to turn the chisel, and it just kept sliding out. So I figured it was just too wide on the chisel. So what I ended up doing was I ran to Walmart real quick, got a 100-foot extension cord, just so I could run the Dremel all the way out here. So I took the Dremel to it, and what do you know? Worked like a charm. Dremel was the greatest purchase I've ever made in my entire life. And package number one, got a brand new fuel filter. Go over here to package number two. We have the fuel pump. And hopefully they sent me the right pump. I'm gonna be a little butthurt if they didn't. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that fuel filter. No wonder this thing didn't want to run. So this is what it should look like, and this is what it does look like. I feel like the pump should have came with a filter that 100% fit, because this is a separate filter. Just gonna have to make it fit. Let's see what happens. It is way too dead. Let's let it charge up a little bit, I guess. Yeah, it's because they weren't on all the way, but we are still not getting any start. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and call today a success. The Miata is not started, but I do know a few things. I'm gonna look more into it, but I'm gonna call today a success. I really wish I could have got the car started for you in this video, but now I'm gonna have to do a less clickbaity title, because it wouldn't be true if I put fixing my Miata. So, well, that wouldn't be clickbait if I actually fixed it. It'd be clickbait if I made that the title now. I'm gonna go ahead and look into this car a little bit more today, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. So, but if you enjoyed the video and you want more POV videos like this of me actually working on the cars, fixing them, diagnosing them, seeing what's up, go ahead and leave a like. Leaving a comment helps as well. That helps our video get out to more viewers. YouTube recommends the video more if you guys go ahead and do that. So please go ahead and do that. I'm gonna continue to work on this, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.